Unpack and check. Use a spirit level to make the base stable and level. The edge of the base is about 55 millimeters away from the wall. Place the B500 on the base. Combine bracket 1 and bracket 2 with an M5 hex nut. Fix mounting bracket with M5 by 10 screws. Mark drilling location. Drill holes with a hammer drill. Install M8 by 60 expansion bolts. Secure the modules to the wall. Remove the cover of the terminal blocks, then remove the screws of the terminal. Strip the insulation layer of the PV cable to 8 to 10 millimeters. Crimp the terminal using crimp pliers. Connect grid cable to the terminal of the AC junction box. Connect backup cable to the terminal of the AC junction box. Assemble the protective cover of the AC junction box. Install the protective cover, then tighten the nuts. Connect CT cable to EP600. Connect the negative cable from EP600 to B500. Connect the positive cable from EP600 to B500. Connect the communication cable from EP600 to B500. Connect two adjacent B500s with the negative cable. Connect two adjacent B500s with the positive cable. Connect two adjacent B500s with the communication cable. Connect IoT controller to link port 1 of EP600. Assemble PV connector if necessary. Crimp the PV terminal using crimp pliers. Tighten the nut using an MC4 wrench. Install decorative covers. Install IoT controller. Adjust the level and mark the hole for installation.
Firstly, find the electricity meter in the distribution box. Flip the EP600's current transformers onto the three main power lines of the electric meter with L1 to R, L2 to S, and L3 to T. The arrow points to the grid. After that, locate a terminal block on the circuit. Connect the 4PRCD to the terminal with 3 fire wires and 1 neutral wire. The sequence from left to right is L1, L2, L3, N. Connect the 3 live wires from the other end of the 4PRCD to the terminals of the 3PMCB. Connect the 3 live wires from the grid cable of the EP600 to the other side terminals of the 3PMCB with L1, L2, and L3 connected from left to right. Connect 1 neutral wire to the grid cable of the EP600 and connect 1 PE wire to the PE bus bar. Connect the EP600's backup cable to the 4P transfer switches terminals. L1 to pin 2, L2 to pin 6, L3 to pin 10, the neutral wire to pin 14, and connect 1 PE wire to the PE bus bar. Then connect 3 live wires from the 4PRCD terminal to the 4P transfer switch. L1 to pin 4, L2 to pin 8, L3 to pin 12, and neutral wire to pin 16 accordingly. Select some essential loads that need to operate during mains failure. For example, lights, refrigerators, circuits supplying working computers, or routers. Connect essential loads to the transfer switch, L1 to pin 1, L2 to pin 5, L3 to pin 9, and neutral wire to pin 13, as well as the PA bus bar. Please note that the total load power per phase is less than 2000 watt. That's all about connecting EP600 to the home distribution box.